Welcome to the AI Prompt Engineering Mastery Training video course. Transform AI abilities into a system for effective prompt engineering. We're pleased to provide focused insights on a topic that truly matters. Video number 2, Why Prompt Design Matters. Introduction. Prompt design plays a critical role in how effectively AI tools respond to instructions. Clear and structured prompts help guide AI behavior, reduce confusion, and improve the relevance of outputs. Understanding prompt design allows users to interact with AI in a more controlled and purposeful way. What is prompt design? The process of structuring instructions for AI systems. Combines clarity, context, and intent. Defines what the AI should do and how it should respond. Acts as a communication bridge between human intent and AI output. How AI interprets prompts. AI responds based on input structure and wording. Context placement affects output quality. Specific instructions improve accuracy. Vague prompts lead to inconsistent responses. Impact on output quality. Clear prompts improve relevance and structure. Well-designed prompts reduce rework. Better prompts lead to consistent formatting. Output becomes easier to refine and reuse. Role of clarity and context. Clear objectives guide AI behavior. Context helps AI select appropriate tone and detail. Missing context causes generic responses. Proper framing improves task alignment. Prompt design versus trial and error. Structured prompts reduce repeated attempts. Saves time during AI interactions. Encourages predictable outputs. Builds a repeatable prompting process. Benefits for different use cases. Content creation workflows become structured. Research tasks gain focus and accuracy. Business and educational tasks improve clarity. Prompts can be adapted across tools. Long-term skill value. Prompt design skills transfer across AI platforms. Supports scalable workflows. Encourages systematic thinking. Enhances responsible AI usage. Conclusion. Prompt design determines how effectively AI performs a task. By using structured, clear instructions, users can improve output consistency, reduce confusion, and build reusable workflows that require thoughtful input and ongoing refinement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 3, Understanding AI Output Patterns. Introduction. Prompt design plays a critical role in how effectively AI tools respond to instructions. Clear and structured prompts help guide AI behavior, reduce confusion, and improve the relevance of outputs. Understanding prompt design allows users to interact with AI in a more controlled and purposeful way. What are AI output patterns? Repeating response structures produced by similar prompts. Influenced by wording, order, and clarity of instructions. Affected by level of detail and context provided. Useful for predicting AI behavior. How prompt structure shapes outputs. Step-by-step prompts produce organized responses. Open-ended prompts lead to broader outputs. Constraints narrow focus and depth. Formatting instructions influence layout and tone. Common AI output behaviors. Tendency to generalize when details are missing. Preference for balanced or neutral explanations. Repetition of common frameworks or patterns. Structured summaries when clarity is high. The role of context in output patterns. Context determines relevance and accuracy. Insufficient context causes assumptions. Clear background information improves alignment. Context helps AI maintain focus throughout responses. Consistency through repeated prompting. Similar prompts produce similar response patterns. Useful for templates and workflows. Helps standardize outputs across tasks. Supports scalable content and documentation. Identifying weak or unhelpful patterns. Overly generic responses indicate vague prompts. Repetition suggests missing constraints. Off-topic sections show unclear objectives. These patterns signal where prompts need refinement. Using output patterns to improve prompts. Analyze responses instead of discarding them. Adjust wording, scope, or format intentionally. Test variations to observe pattern changes. Refine prompts for better alignment over time. Conclusion: understanding AI output patterns enables users to interact with AI more effectively and responsibly. By recognizing how prompts influence structure, detail, and behavior, users can design clearer instructions and refine their approach over time. Consistent testing and thoughtful prompt adjustments are essential, and results vary based on effort and application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 4, Basic Prompt Structures. Introduction. Basic prompt structures provide a foundation for communicating clearly with AI systems. Instead of relying on trial and error, structured prompts help users guide AI responses with purpose and consistency. By understanding common prompt formats, users can create clearer instructions, reduce confusion, and build reusable frameworks that support reliable AI interactions across different tasks. What is a prompt structure? An organized framework for writing AI instructions. Combines context, task, and constraints. Helps AI understand intent more accurately. Reduces confusion and misinterpretation. The role of context in prompts. Provides background information for the task. Defines the situation or use case. Improves relevance and accuracy of responses. Prevents AI from making incorrect assumptions. Clear task definition. States exactly what the AI is expected to do. Avoids vague or open-ended instructions. Helps control depth and scope of output. Improves efficiency and usefulness. Adding constraints and guidelines. Specifies length, format, or tone. Sets boundaries for acceptable responses. Helps maintain focus and consistency. Reduces unnecessary or off-topic content. Output formatting instructions. Guides how information should be presented. Examples: bullet points, tables, steps, summaries. Improves readability and usability. Useful for documentation and presentations. Common basic prompt structures. Context task constraints output format. Role-based structure, assigning AI a role. Step-by-step instruction structure. Question and answer structure. Why structured prompts improve results. Creates predictable response patterns. Saves time during revisions. Supports reusable prompt templates. Enables consistent workflows across projects. Conclusion. Basic prompt structures make AI interactions more predictable and efficient. By applying simple frameworks such as context-based, role-based, and step-by-step prompts, users can improve clarity and consistency in AI responses. Mastery of these structures comes through practice, testing, and refinement, and results vary based on how effectively they are applied. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 5, Advanced Prompt Structures. Introduction. Advanced prompt structures build on basic prompting techniques by adding greater control, precision, and adaptability. These structures are designed for more complex tasks where clarity, consistency, and alignment are critical. By using advanced frameworks, users can guide AI responses more effectively across multi-step workflows, specialized use cases, and repeated applications. What makes a prompt structure advanced? Goes beyond simple instructions. Includes multiple layers of guidance. Balances flexibility with control. Designed for complex or ongoing tasks. Multi-layer prompt structure. Combines role, context, task, and constraints. Helps manage complex instructions. Improves response relevance. Reduces the need for follow-up prompts. Output-guided prompt structure. Specifies the desired output format in advance. Defines sections, headings, or layout. Improves readability and usability. Useful for reports, guides, and frameworks. Iterative prompt structure. Involves refining prompts over multiple steps. Uses feedback from earlier responses. Encourages gradual improvement. Useful for problem solving and analysis. Conditional prompt structure. Includes if-then instructions. Guides AI behavior based on conditions. Helps manage variable scenarios. Improves decision-based outputs. Constraint-heavy prompt structure. Uses strict rules and limitations. Controls tone, length, and scope tightly. Reduces ambiguity in outputs. Useful for compliance and standardization. Modular prompt structure. Breaks prompt into reusable components. Allows easy modification of sections. Supports scalable workflows. Improves long-term efficiency. Conclusion. Advanced prompt structures enable more precise and reliable AI interactions, especially for complex or repeated tasks. By applying layered, conditional, and modular frameworks, users can improve control and consistency in AI outputs. Effective use requires testing, refinement, and thoughtful application, and results vary depending on effort and implementation quality. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 6, Role-Based Prompting Techniques. Introduction. Role-based prompting is a technique where the AI is assigned a specific role or perspective before completing a task. This approach helps shape the tone, depth, and structure of the response by narrowing how the AI interprets instructions. When used correctly, role-based prompting improves alignment with the intended use case and supports more consistent and context-aware outputs. What is role-based prompting? Assigns a defined role to the AI. Reduces vague or unfocused outputs. Influences tone, expertise, and approach. Frames how the AI should think and respond. Why roles improve response quality. Provides clear perspective and boundaries. Helps AI prioritize relevant information. Reduces generic explanations. Supports task-specific outputs. Common roles used in prompting. Educator or trainer. Analyst or researcher. Consultant or advisor. Editor or reviewer. Structuring an effective role-based prompt. Clearly define the role at the start. Add context and task instructions. Specify the audience if needed. Include output constraints. Combining roles with prompt structures. Role plus context for relevance. Role plus steps for process-driven tasks. Role plus constraints for controlled outputs. Enhances overall prompt clarity. Avoiding common role-based prompting mistakes. Overloading the prompt with multiple roles. Using vague or unrealistic roles. Forgetting to define the task clearly. Ignoring output expectations. Practical applications of role-based prompting. Content drafting and editing. Research summaries and analysis. Training and educational material. Planning and documentation tasks. Conclusion. Role-based prompting helps guide AI responses by establishing a clear perspective and purpose. When combined with structured instructions and constraints, this technique improves relevance and consistency. Mastery of role-based prompting comes from practice and refinement, and outcomes vary based on how thoughtfully the role and task are defined. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 7, Prompt Optimization Workflows. Introduction. Prompt optimization workflows focus on improving prompt effectiveness through structured testing and refinement. Instead of rewriting prompts randomly, optimization uses a repeatable process to evaluate AI responses, identify weaknesses, and apply targeted improvements. This approach helps users build prompts that are clearer, more consistent, and better aligned with specific tasks over time. What is a prompt optimization workflow? A step-by-step process for refining prompts. Focuses on continuous improvement. Uses feedback from AI outputs. Reduces reliance on trial and error. Step 1. Define the objective clearly. Identify the exact task or goal. Determine desired depth and format. Clarify boundaries and constraints. Establish evaluation criteria. Step 2. Review the initial AI output. Check relevance and accuracy. Identify gaps or unclear sections. Note repetitive or generic content. Compare output to the objective. Step 3. Adjust prompt components. Refine wording and instructions. Add or remove context as needed. Apply constraints to improve focus. Modify structure for clarity. Step 4. Test and compare variations. Create multiple prompt versions. Observe differences in outputs. Identify which changes improve results. Select the most effective version. Step 5. Standardize the optimized prompt. Save effective prompt versions. Convert into reusable templates. Apply across similar tasks. Maintain consistency in workflows. Ongoing optimization best practices. Review prompts periodically. Update prompts as tasks evolve. Avoid overcomplicating structures. Focus on clarity over length. Conclusion. Prompt optimization workflows provide a systematic way to improve AI interactions through analysis and refinement. By following clear steps, defining objectives, reviewing outputs, testing variations, and standardizing effective prompts, users can build reliable and adaptable prompting systems. Results vary based on effort, testing, and thoughtful application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 8. Testing and iterating prompts. Introduction. Testing and iterating prompts is essential for improving AI responses. Instead of expecting perfect results on the first attempt, effective users treat prompting as a continuous process of testing, reviewing outputs, and refining instructions. This approach helps improve clarity, consistency, and alignment with intended goals across different tasks and use cases. Why prompt testing is essential. AI responses vary based on prompt structure and wording. Initial prompts often reveal gaps or ambiguities. Testing helps identify weak or unclear instructions. Supports more reliable and repeatable outputs. What iteration means in prompt engineering. Making small, deliberate changes to prompts. Observing how outputs change with each revision. Focusing on improvement, not perfection. Using feedback to guide refinements. Establishing a testing baseline. Start with a clear initial prompt. Define what a successful output looks like. Use consistent evaluation criteria. Avoid changing multiple variables at once. Common elements to test and adjust. Prompt wording and clarity. Level of context provided. Output format and structure. Constraints such as length or tone. Comparing outputs across iterations. Review differences between responses. Identify improvements or regressions. Track patterns that consistently work. Use comparisons to guide next changes. Avoiding common iteration mistakes. Over-editing prompts too quickly. Testing without clear objectives. Ignoring patterns in AI responses. Adding unnecessary complexity. Turning iteration into a repeatable process. Document effective prompt versions. Save tested prompts as templates. Apply learnings across similar tasks. Maintain a structured refinement workflow. Conclusion. Testing and iterating prompts is an essential skill for anyone seeking consistent and dependable AI outputs. Through structured testing, careful comparison, and thoughtful refinement, users can progressively improve prompt effectiveness. This process requires patience, experimentation, and ongoing effort, and results vary depending on how rigorously the workflow is applied. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 9. Templates and Frameworks. Introduction. Templates and frameworks provide a structured way to interact with AI systems without starting from scratch each time. Instead of rewriting prompts for every task, users can rely on proven formats that guide AI behavior consistently. When designed correctly, templates and frameworks help improve clarity, reduce errors, and support repeatable workflows across a wide range of applications. What are prompt templates? Predefined prompt structures for repeated use. Include fixed sections and adjustable variables. Help standardize AI instructions. Reduce time spent rewriting prompts. What are prompt frameworks? Strategic models for designing prompts. Focus on logic and structure, not exact wording. Adaptable across tasks and tools. Support long-term prompt development. Benefits of using templates and frameworks. Improve consistency across outputs. Reduce errors caused by missing details. Support scalable workflows. Make prompt creation more efficient. Common components of effective templates. Role or perspective definition. Context or background information. Clear task instructions. Output format and constraints. Popular prompt framework approaches. Role, context, task, output structure. Step-by-step instruction models. Constraint-driven frameworks. Modular prompt designs. Customizing templates for different tasks. Adjust variables without changing structure. Tailor tone and depth as needed. Update constraints based on requirements. Maintain core framework consistency. Managing and reusing prompt assets. Store templates in organized libraries. Label templates by use case. Review and update regularly. Share standardized templates across teams. Conclusion. Templates and frameworks simplify AI interaction by providing reliable structures for prompt creation. By reusing proven designs and adapting them thoughtfully, users can maintain consistency and clarity across tasks. Building effective templates requires testing, refinement, and practical experience, and results vary based on how well these frameworks are implemented and maintained. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 10, AI Prompting for Marketing. Introduction. AI prompting for marketing uses structured instructions to support planning, messaging, and content development instead of generic requests. Well-crafted prompts help align AI outputs with brand voice, audience needs, and campaign goals. When applied thoughtfully, prompting supports marketing workflows without replacing strategy or human judgment. The role of AI in marketing workflows. Supports research and idea development. Assists with drafting and refining content. Helps organize campaign elements. Enhances consistency across materials. Defining clear marketing objectives in prompts. Specify the purpose of the task. Identify the target audience. Clarify tone and messaging style. Set boundaries for the output. Prompting for market and audience research. Summarizing audience characteristics. Identifying common challenges and interests. Structuring competitor analysis. Organizing insights into usable formats. Prompting for content creation and messaging. Drafting outlines for articles or emails. Refining headlines and key points. Adapting content for different platforms. Maintaining brand-aligned language. Using constraints to maintain brand consistency. Define voice and tone guidelines. Limit length and format. Avoid restricted or non-compliant language. Ensure alignment with brand standards. Iterating and improving marketing prompts. Review outputs against objectives. Adjust prompts for clarity and focus. Test variations for messaging alignment. Refine prompts based on feedback. Responsible use of AI in marketing. Validate accuracy of generated content. Avoid misleading or exaggerated claims. Maintain transparency and compliance. Combine AI support with human oversight. Conclusion. AI prompting can support marketing efforts when used with clear structure and realistic expectations. By defining objectives, applying constraints, and refining prompts through testing, marketers can integrate AI into their workflows responsibly. Effective use requires strategic input, ongoing review, and thoughtful application, and results vary depending on how prompts are designed and managed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 11, AI prompting for content creation. Introduction. AI prompting for content creation focuses on guiding AI systems to assist with planning, drafting, and refining written and visual content, rather than replacing creativity. Well-structured prompts help organize ideas, maintain consistency, and improve efficiency across content workflows. When used correctly, AI becomes a supportive tool that complements human judgment and editorial oversight. How AI supports content creation tasks. Assists with brainstorming and outlining. Helps organize ideas into clear structures. Supports drafting and editing processes. Improves consistency across content pieces. Defining content goals and prompts. Clarify the purpose of the content. Identify the target audience. Specify tone, style, and format. Set length and structural boundaries. Prompting for blog and article content. Create detailed outlines before drafting. Define headings and subheadings. Request balanced and informative language. Prompting for video and script content. Outline key talking points. Structure introductions and conclusions. Define pacing in content sections. Ensure clarity for spoken delivery. Prompting for email and short-form content. Set clear objectives for each message. Define subject line intent. Limit length and focus. Maintain consistency in tone. Iterating and refining content prompts. Review drafts for clarity and alignment. Adjust prompts based on output gaps. Test variations for tone and structure. Refine prompts to improve consistency. Maintaining quality and accuracy. Fact-check AI-assisted content. Edit for clarity and originality. Avoid over-reliance on generic phrasing. Apply human review before final use. Conclusion. AI prompting can streamline content creation when guided by clear objectives and structured instructions. By refining prompts through testing and iteration, users can improve content quality and consistency across formats. Effective results depend on thoughtful prompt design, editorial review, and ongoing refinement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 12, AI prompting for research and planning. Introduction. AI prompting for research and planning focuses on using structured instructions to support information gathering, organization, and decision preparation. Rather than replacing critical thinking, AI can assist by summarizing data, identifying patterns, and organizing insights when guided by clear prompts. Effective prompting helps ensure research outputs remain relevant, structured, and aligned with defined objectives. How AI supports research and planning. Organizes large amounts of information. Summarizes key points from complex topics. Assists with idea exploration and comparison. Supports early-stage planning processes. Defining research objectives in prompts. Clearly state the research goal. Specify the scope and depth required. Identify the intended use of findings. Set boundaries for sources or topics. Prompting for information structuring. Request categorized or grouped insights. Use headings and sections for clarity. Ask for comparisons or contrasts. Improve readability and usability. Prompting for analysis and evaluation. Break topics into key components. Request pros, cons, and considerations. Encourage balanced perspectives. Support informed decision-making. Using AI for planning and road mapping. Outline steps or phases of a plan. Identify dependencies and priorities. Structure timelines or milestones. Support logical sequencing. Iterating research prompts for accuracy. Review outputs for relevance. Adjust prompts to clarify gaps. Refine scope when results are too broad. Retest prompts for better alignment. Responsible use of AI in research. Verify important information independently. Avoid relying on unverified assumptions. Maintain transparency in AI-assisted work. Combine AI support with human judgment. Conclusion. AI prompting can be a valuable support tool for research and planning when used with structured and realistic expectations. By defining objectives, refining prompts, and validating outputs, users can integrate AI into their research workflows responsibly. The effectiveness of results depends on prompt clarity, critical review, and ongoing refinement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 13, Ethical Considerations in AI Prompting. Introduction. Ethical considerations in AI prompting involve guiding AI responsibly to ensure outputs are accurate, unbiased, and compliant with legal and social standards. Since AI lacks ethical awareness, prompt designers must frame instructions carefully, avoid misleading content, and consider audience impact while maintaining accountability and transparency. Why ethics matters in AI prompting. AI outputs reflect the instructions and context provided. Poorly framed prompts can lead to biased or misleading content. Ethical prompting promotes responsible AI use, supports credibility and trust in AI-assisted workflows. Avoiding bias in prompts. Use neutral, inclusive language. Avoid assumptions based on stereotypes. Test prompts for unintended outcomes. Ensure diversity and fairness in generated content. Accuracy and fact-checking. AI can produce information that appears accurate but is incorrect. Prompts should encourage evidence-based responses. Users must validate critical content before use. Reduces risks of misinformation or misrepresentation. Transparency in AI outputs. Clarify when content is AI-generated. Avoid presenting AI outputs as human-authored without disclosure. Maintain honesty in professional or public communication. Builds audience trust and accountability. Legal and compliance considerations. Follow copyright and intellectual property guidelines. Avoid generating harmful or illegal content. Include disclaimers where required. Maintain awareness of local and platform regulations. Ethical prompting practices. Provide context and clear instructions to minimize misinterpretation. Use constraints to guide responsible outputs. Continuously review AI responses for ethical alignment. Incorporate human oversight for sensitive tasks. Teaching ethics through prompt design. Model ethical scenarios in training prompts. Encourage AI to consider multiple perspectives. Include checks for bias, fairness, and accuracy. Promote critical thinking alongside AI assistance. Conclusion. Ethical AI prompting is essential for responsible and trustworthy AI use. By focusing on neutrality, accuracy, transparency, and compliance, users can ensure AI outputs align with ethical standards. Mastery of ethical prompting requires thoughtful design, human oversight, and continuous review, with outcomes varying based on diligence and application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 14, Common Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. Introduction. Even experienced users can make mistakes when creating AI prompts, leading to unclear or inconsistent outputs. Recognizing common errors and learning how to avoid them helps refine prompting, save time, and produce more reliable, well-aligned AI responses. Mistake 1. Vague or ambiguous prompts. Using unclear language or incomplete instructions. Leads to generic or off-topic outputs. Reduces alignment with the intended task. Solution: be explicit and provide context. Mistake 2. Overloading the prompt. Including too many instructions or multiple tasks in one prompt. Confuses AI and produces inconsistent responses. Reduces clarity and focus. Solution: break prompts into clear, manageable steps. Mistake 3. Ignoring context. Failing to provide necessary background or details. Causes AI to make assumptions or generalize. Results in less relevant or accurate outputs. Solution: include context to guide interpretation. Mistake 4. Lack of output specifications. Not defining format, length, or style. Leads to outputs that are difficult to use or edit. Reduces efficiency and consistency. Solution: set clear constraints and desired structure. Mistake 5. Not iterating or testing prompts. Assuming the first prompt will be perfect. Misses opportunities to refine clarity and effectiveness. Leads to repeated trial and error frustration. Solution, test, review, and iterate systematically. Mistake 6. Over-reliance on AI. Treating AI as fully autonomous or error-free can result in factual inaccuracies or ethical oversights. Reduces critical review of outputs. Solution, combine AI assistance with human oversight. Mistake 7. Ignoring patterns in feedback. Failing to observe recurring issues in AI outputs. Repeating ineffective prompts without adjustment. Leads to inconsistent results and wasted effort. Solution, analyze outputs and refine prompts based on patterns. Conclusion. Avoiding common mistakes in AI prompting requires clear structure and careful testing. By adding context, defining outputs, breaking tasks into steps, and reviewing results, users can create more effective prompts. Improvement comes through ongoing observation and refinement, with results varying based on the effort applied. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 15. Reusable prompt frameworks. Introduction. Reusable prompt frameworks are structured formats that can be reused across multiple tasks without starting from scratch. They help save time, improve consistency, and support scalable AI workflows. With flexible frameworks, users can maintain clarity and control while adapting prompts to different objectives and use cases. What are reusable prompt frameworks? Predefined structures that guide AI responses. Designed for repeated use across tasks. Include core elements like role, context, and output format. Reduce time spent on prompt creation. Benefits of reusable frameworks. Ensure consistency across multiple outputs. Improve efficiency by avoiding repeated prompt design. Reduce errors from vague or incomplete instructions. Facilitate collaboration and standardized workflows. Core components of a framework. Role or perspective assignment. Context or background information. Clear task instructions. Output format, constraints, and guidelines. Types of reusable frameworks. Role, context, task, output, RCTO, model. Step-by-step procedural prompts. Constraint-driven frameworks for controlled outputs. Modular frameworks with interchangeable components. Customizing frameworks for specific tasks. Adjust variables without altering the core structure. Tailor tone, depth, or audience focus. Update constraints based on task requirements. Maintain core framework consistency across uses. Testing and refining frameworks. Evaluate frameworks with multiple iterations. Observe patterns in outputs to identify weaknesses. Refine prompts for clarity, relevance, and usability. Ensure frameworks remain adaptable to evolving tasks. Implementing frameworks across teams. Store frameworks in organized libraries. Share and document for team use. Label by use case for easy access. Update regularly based on feedback and new insights. Conclusion. Reusable prompt frameworks improve efficiency, consistency, and scalability in AI prompting. By creating adaptable structures and refining them over time, users can streamline workflows while maintaining output quality. Their effectiveness depends on careful design, testing, and ongoing application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 16. Integrating prompts into workflows. Introduction. Integrating AI prompts into workflows enables consistent and efficient use across recurring tasks. Embedding prompts into structured processes helps keep outputs aligned, reusable, and easier to manage. This approach supports productivity, reduces errors, and makes AI a dependable part of daily operations. Why integration matters. Ensures consistency across similar tasks. Reduces time spent recreating prompts. Supports standardization for teams and projects. Helps maintain quality and clarity in outputs. Identifying workflow opportunities. Map out recurring tasks that AI can assist with. Determine which processes benefit most from AI input. Identify tasks where prompt consistency is critical. Focus on high-value or repetitive areas first. Embedding prompts into processes. Use reusable frameworks for task-specific prompts. Align prompts with existing steps in the workflow. Include instructions for prompt variation where needed. Ensure outputs feed directly into subsequent steps. Automation and prompt integration. Integrate prompts with AI tools and platforms. Use templates to trigger consistent outputs automatically. Connect with task management or documentation systems. Maintain flexibility to refine prompts as workflows evolve. Monitoring and evaluating workflow outputs. Track AI output quality and consistency. Identify where prompts may need refinement. Collect feedback from users interacting with AI outputs. Adjust workflows to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Collaborative prompt workflows. Share frameworks and templates across team members. Standardize roles and responsibilities for AI interaction. Encourage team feedback to improve prompts. Maintain documentation for training and onboarding. Best practices for long-term integration. Regularly review and update prompts as tasks evolve. Maintain a library of reusable templates. Monitor changes in AI behavior or platform updates. Ensure ongoing alignment with workflow goals. Conclusion: integrating prompts into workflows helps make AI a consistent and reliable part of operations. By mapping tasks, embedding structured prompts, and refining processes over time, users can improve the efficiency and relevance of AI outputs. Effectiveness depends on thoughtful design, ongoing monitoring, and iterative refinement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 17, Scaling AI Prompting for Teams. Introduction. Scaling AI prompting for teams requires systems that enable consistent and efficient use across multiple users. Standardized frameworks and shared practices help maintain quality, reduce errors, and streamline collaboration. When implemented effectively, this approach supports productivity, knowledge sharing, and alignment across teams and projects. Why scaling matters for teams. Maintains consistency across outputs. Reduces time spent recreating prompts. Encourages collaboration and shared best practices. Supports productivity in larger projects or multiple workflows. Standardizing prompts across teams. Use reusable frameworks and templates. Define clear roles and responsibilities for prompt creation. Document prompt guidelines and conventions. Ensure everyone understands objectives and constraints. Creating a shared prompt library. Organize templates by task, department, or purpose. Include example prompts and expected outputs. Maintain version control for updates. Facilitate easy access and adoption across the team. Training team members on AI prompting. Provide clear instructions on framework usage. Demonstrate testing and iteration practices. Encourage experimentation within structured boundaries. Share lessons learned to improve prompt effectiveness. Collaboration and feedback loops. Review outputs collectively for quality and alignment. Encourage team feedback on prompt clarity and usability. Use feedback to refine shared frameworks. Promote continuous improvement in team workflows. Workflow integration for teams. Embed standardized prompts into project processes. Align AI outputs with team deliverables. Monitor performance to identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Ensure scalability without sacrificing output quality. Maintaining flexibility while scaling. Adapt frameworks for evolving tasks and goals. Allow team members to customize prompts within structured guidelines. Monitor AI behavior across different use cases. Keep documentation updated to reflect changes. Conclusion: Scaling AI prompting for teams supports consistent and efficient outputs across users. Standardized frameworks, shared prompt libraries, and workflow integration help maintain quality. Effectiveness depends on clear processes, collaboration, and ongoing refinement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 18, Case Studies of Successful Prompting. Introduction. Case studies of successful AI prompting show how structured, strategic prompts drive effective outcomes. They highlight practical techniques, common frameworks, and best practices, offering insights that can be adapted to other tasks and industries. Case Study 1, Content Marketing. AI used to draft blog posts and social media content. Structured prompts included context, audience, and tone. Iterative testing refined outputs for clarity and engagement. Result, faster content creation with consistent quality. Case Study 2, Research Summaries. AI prompted to summarize industry reports. Prompts define scope, key points, and output format. Feedback loops refine the summarization style. Result, efficient and structured insights for decision-making. Case Study 3, Customer Support Automation. AI prompted to respond to common customer queries. Role-based prompts guided tone and politeness. Templates standardized responses across agents. Result, consistent, reliable, and professional communication. Case Study 4, Training and Education. AI prompted to generate lesson plans and quizzes. Step-by-step and role-based prompts structured the outputs. Iteration improved clarity, relevance, and educational value. Result, scalable content generation for educators. Key lessons from these case studies. Clear objectives and structured prompts are critical. Iteration and testing improve output reliability. Role and context guidance enhance relevance. Templates and frameworks support repeatable success. Applying insights to your work. Identify tasks where AI can add value. Use structured frameworks and reusable templates. Monitor outputs and iterate based on feedback. Adapt strategies from case studies to fit your context. Common patterns across successful prompting. Clarity and specificity in instructions. Defined roles and perspectives. Iterative refinement based on output review. Use of constraints to guide focus and structure. Conclusion. Case studies show that effective AI prompting depends on clarity, structure, and ongoing refinement. Learning from real examples helps users adopt proven techniques, improve prompt design, and apply frameworks across tasks. Results vary based on effort, context, and careful application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 19, Troubleshooting and Refining Prompts. Introduction. Troubleshooting and refining prompts is key to effective AI prompting. Even strong prompts can yield unclear or misaligned outputs. By identifying issues and making targeted adjustments, users can enhance clarity, relevance, and reliability over time. Why troubleshooting prompts matters. AI outputs may vary despite clear instructions. Identifying issues helps prevent wasted time and effort. Enables systematic improvement rather than guesswork. Supports consistent, high-quality results. Common problems in prompts. Ambiguity or vague instructions. Overly complex or overloaded prompts. Missing context or background information. Lack of output specifications, format, tone, length. Step 1. Analyze the output. Compare AI responses to the original objectives. Identify gaps, errors, or off-topic content. Look for patterns in repeated mistakes. Note sections needing clarity or focus. Step 2. Adjust prompt wording. Simplify or clarify instructions. Break complex tasks into smaller steps. Add context or examples to guide responses. Ensure constraints and desired outputs are explicit. Step 3. Test variations. Create multiple prompt versions. Observe differences in outputs. Identify which changes improve alignment. Document results for future reference. Step 4. Iterate and refine. Incorporate feedback from outputs and users. Make small, deliberate improvements over time. Monitor patterns to prevent recurring issues. Adjust frameworks as workflows evolve. Best practices for ongoing refinement. Keep prompts concise yet clear. Maintain a library of tested prompts. Encourage team review for collaborative refinement. Periodically revisit prompts to adapt to changing needs. Conclusion. Troubleshooting and refining prompts is an ongoing process that enhances AI output quality and reliability. By analyzing results, adjusting wording, testing variations, and iterating frameworks, users can create clearer, more consistent prompts. Effectiveness depends on continuous observation, experimentation, and careful refinement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. Video number 20, The Future of AI Prompt Engineering. Introduction. AI prompt engineering is rapidly evolving as AI becomes more sophisticated and integrated into workflows. The future emphasizes advanced frameworks, automation, and team strategies to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and usability. Staying aware of trends helps users leverage new capabilities in design prompts that remain effective in complex AI environments. Increasing complexity of AI systems. AI models are becoming more capable and context-aware. Outputs can handle multi-step reasoning and nuanced tasks. Prompting will require more structured and precise instructions. Users must adapt strategies to match system sophistication. Automation in prompting. AI will support automated prompt testing and refinement. Predictive systems may suggest improvements based on output patterns. Reduces trial and error for routine tasks. Promotes efficiency across individual and team workflows. Advanced prompt frameworks. Modular and reusable frameworks will dominate. Multi-layered and role-based prompts will become standard. Integration with workflow tools will improve output management. Frameworks will support scalability and complex operations. Collaborative and team-based prompting. Teams will share libraries of prompts for consistency. Standardization will reduce errors and improve quality. Continuous feedback loops will refine shared frameworks. Collaboration tools will facilitate prompt management. AI-driven prompt analytics. Analytics will reveal which prompts produce optimal results. Patterns in AI behavior will guide design improvements. Users can predict outputs and refine frameworks more systematically. Promotes data-driven prompt engineering. Ethical and responsible prompting. Greater emphasis on bias mitigation and transparency. Prompts will need to account for fairness, accuracy, and compliance. Ethical frameworks will become integral to prompt design. Responsible use will remain a core priority. Preparing for the future. Continuously refine prompt skills and frameworks. Stay updated on AI advancements and platform capabilities. Experiment with new techniques and automation tools. Incorporate ethics and compliance into all prompt workflows. Conclusion. The future of AI prompt engineering will focus on precision, scalability, automation, and ethical use. By adopting advanced frameworks, leveraging analytics, and collaborating effectively, users can stay ahead of evolving AI capabilities. Continuous learning, adaptation, and thoughtful design will remain essential, with outcomes varying based on effort, strategy, and application. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our lessons. If you're finding these tutorials valuable and you're serious about integrating AI and automation into your business to save time and build scalable systems, I invite you to join our free school community. This isn't a place for hype or unrealistic promises. Instead, it's a focused environment where we continue the conversation, share practical workflows, and troubleshoot real-world AI implementation challenges together. Inside, you'll find extended discussions on the AI tools and automation strategies we cover here on the channel, exclusive mini tutorials and workflow breakdowns that go even deeper, a supportive network of fellow entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators who are actively building with AI. opportunities to ask questions directly and get feedback on your own automation projects. It's a space dedicated to continuous learning and practical application, helping you move from understanding concepts to implementing effective AI solutions in your day-to-day operations. To join, simply click the link in the description below. I'm looking forward to connecting with you there and helping you further streamline your work and build real leverage with AI.